Hey guys, welcome back to Tigrinya Tuesday. I'm Semret Russom.
I'm Real Bill.
We are excited to have you back. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell button. We are always up here every Tuesday, and so you don't miss out, and also on Monday, of course.
For all your Tigrinya needs.
Exactly. All right, you guys, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so are you excited? Today, we're gonna be making hambasha.
I'm hungry is what I am.
That's right, me too, actually. So hambasha is a bread that is homemade from like my country, Eritrea, and also in Ethiopia. So both cultures have it, they just make it differently. So we are gonna make that, hopefully.
We're gonna try, we're trying to make it.
So please don't judge us, or well, especially me. Don't judge me because
you can judge me all you want.
Yeah, he's fine. But so I have never ever made hambasha.
We've watched your mom make it, and you
Right.
watch your sisters make it.
Back home, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Watching someone and doing it is two different things.
But we're gonna take you guys with us as we go through the steps of
Yes.
making the hambasha, showing you the ingredients and how we do it.
Yes.
And then we're gonna see how it turns
it came
out.
right? Yes.
But I know from visiting your family that we always had hambasha kind of like as a snack. There would
Yeah.
always be hambasha around the house, and we would eat it with tea.
Exactly.
Or
shahi.
Shahi is the proper. So
Right, correction. Right. So we are excited. We're gonna start soon. So we already have all the ingredients that we need, and we'll start the process. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Are you gonna do the hambasha, or is it me?
we're gonna do it together. If we screw up, it'll be my fault.
Okay, good.
I don't want you to get in trouble.
All right, all right, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so up next, we are gonna show you the things that we're gonna be using to make hambasha. Of course, the first thing is all-purpose flour, any flours, but I think, is it any flour?
All-purpose flour.
Yes, so we're gonna use this one, and also, of course, you need agua, water, mai.
Why do you say it in Spanish?
I don't know, sounds cool. You need salt. You're gonna need, not the whole thing, sugar. Oh my God.
Don't mix up the salt and sugar. They look alike.
And then let's see, what else?
We're
We're gonna use what?
Yeast.
Yeast. And then we're going to use poppy seed. Wait,
You're holding poppy seed.
poppy seed.
Uh-huh.
And then we're also gonna use the sesame seed. Very important. We're going to use this oil. We got canola oil, but I think vegetable oil as well you can use, but we got this from the store. I think that's all we need, right?
Well, we also got this cardamom,
Oh, that's right.
because a lot of the recipes say to use cardamom,
Yeah.
crushed cardamom. So we got these, what do you call these? Corns? Cardamom corns? But then
Do you see it?
the guy at the market and in Semret say that we don't really use that. So
I mean,
I don't, maybe it's not traditional.
Well, I think it might be, but like I said, I am not professional. I don't know how to cook, and this is my first attempt. But watching my mother do it back home,
She doesn't use cardamom?
I don't remember her. Maybe she did. I remember specifically, for sure, I remember this.
Well, so
But-
maybe tell us in the comments if you
Yeah.
use cardamom or not.
Oh yes, please.
Because I think, I mean, it's still gonna be, you can still eat it either way, it's just gonna taste different, right?
I hope it tastes good. Oh my God. If not,
Maybe we'll try it both ways, but first we'll try it without it.
thank God there's no professional person judging, because you will know the difference. All right.
All right, you ready to do this?
Yes.
Okay, I'll manage and you can make it.
Great. So he doesn't get the blame. Okay.
All right, so the first thing is we have warm water.
Okay. Yes.
So we want a 1/4 cup of warm water. 1/4 cup. And then on top of that, put in a tablespoon of sugar.
Oops.
Yummy. So stir that around a little bit. And once it's in there, we're gonna now pour in the yeast And we have it's 2.25 teaspoon of yeast.
I remember I used to
It's active
eat
dry
sugar
yeast.
when my mom used to do stuff, so it just reminded me.
One for you, one for me.
Exactly, that was me. I used to. You ready? Okay, so then.
So this is the yeast.
Yep.
And they come in these little packets, which is that was the right portion.
Each one. So we have one packet.
So one packet went in there?
Do I mix it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's see, stir and dissolve and sprinkle the yeast on top.
And then what?
And then what we're gonna do is set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes until the yeast begins to froth. So we're gonna let it do its thing.
Set up your alarm for 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, great.
It's set. So we'll check on it. We'll look at it in 5 minutes and see if it's frothing.
It's very strong.
Do you hear that? Do you hear that?
Yes.
Okay.
It's time.
It's time. Let's look at our yeast.
All right, so let's check it out. Do you guys see it?
It's frothing. You can see the froth on the top. Show the camera.
You see it? It's very strong. Smell.
And we can smell it.
Mm-hmm.
You can kind of see it working in there. You can see it getting activated.
Mr. Cheese.
All right, so show them what you got here.
Okay, guys, so I have this bowl and I have the flour and I made, what is it called? Well, inside to put all the product.
So kind of like a volcano.
Exactly, so I'm just putting the flours.
Show the camera.
Like this, like that. Hopefully this is the right way, but don't judge me, okay? Okay, so you're gonna tell me what I need to put in?
Okay, so we're gonna combine everything. Mm-hmm. And by the way, she washed her hands before she did this.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Correct.
We're gonna combine with the flour.
Yes.
The salt.
Yes.
So half a teaspoon of salt.
Got the measurement. We have pink salt.
It's Himalayan salt.
Yeah.
It's good salt.
But any salt, right? Doesn't really matter. Anyway, so put it in there.
Salt is salt, yep.
Okay.
Go ahead and then add the sugar. And you're gonna do a 1/4 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup.
Where is it?
Right there.
I need to, it's a little bit.
It's all right.
It's a lot of sugar.
Hey, sugar's good. Nice and sweet.
All right, okay.
All right, the next thing we're gonna add is the spices. And you decided to do poppy seed and sesame seed, right?
Yeah.
So,
but you guys, I had tried it before. I don't like the taste of both. So I'm not gonna put the whole thing, but I'm just gonna put a little bit.
I like it. The more spice and more flavor, the better. But I'm not Himbasha, so.
Thank God. You won't know the difference. Okay, sorry. So I'm gonna need the 1 or the half, right? How many do we need?
Let's see, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds.
So I'm gonna
maybe
use
do half of that.
Okay, I'm gonna use half since I don't want. I'm gonna mix them. Can I do?
Yeah, do whatever. It's your food. It's your bread. It's your Ambasha.
So that's good.
Hey, that's maybe something we should say. This is your.
The way.
This is for you. If you're gonna be eating it, then make it the way you like it. There's no right or wrong, right?
If I don't like it, you guys don't know.
Yeah, it's all about you if you're cooking.
Okay, so what else?
All right, the next thing is you made the well in the middle of the flour.
Yes.
And now you're gonna add the activated yeast mix.
Ooh, okay.
That frothy yeast mix.
Oh my God, look at it. It's kind of thick.
Wow.
Right? Okay, so I'll just pour it in, hope for the best. And I'm gonna put this out of my way. And then what next?
All right, so just knead slowly, incorporating the dry mix into the wet mix. So now you just knead, use those hands.
So special hands.
Add as much of the remaining water as necessary. And then once all the flour has been moistened, knead in the oil little by little. So we'll just start with that. And I guess you just add water. Do you want to tell me when to start adding a little bit? Or?
I can do it.
All right. You got skills.
It's in there. I'm still Himbasha girl, don't forget.
So then we can add more. If I feel like we need more poppy seed, we can add more.
Sure. You'll eat it more than I do, so you're right. So how do I know like when it's thick enough? Does it say?
It says keep kneading for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes? That's a workout.
It's gonna be a workout. Until the dough feels soft and supple.
Great, wonderful.
So I guess you just keep going until you get rid of all those dry parts.
Okay. All right, you guys. So I'm so proud of it. I feel like a traditional woman.
It looks good.
Except my shoulder is like dying. But so this is what it looks like, and now the recipe says to add some oil. So not the whole thing though, little by little.
Little by little. So
I'm gonna stand up to do that. You ready?
This is a 1/4 cup.
Give me my hand. Okay. Let's wait.
All right.
I have to like a little bit.
So tell me when you want more.
Okay, hold on.
All right, I'm holding.
Oh my God, it's a lot of work. See, this is why I like simple recipe salad.
Cheese.
All right, you guys, it's done. Does it look like a perfect dough?
It's a nice looking round ball of dough.
Yes, so what it says is to wrap this with a plastic and leave it for an hour somewhere warm. We're gonna do that. I think Delina got a hold of this.
So that's gonna go over the top of it, right?
Yeah, so I'm just gonna seal this up like this. Tear this up. Hold up, please. This is how you know, like professionals, they do it really clean and fast. And okay, so you seal this up, and then we'll see it in about an hour to make a hambasha.
We're gonna go leave it in a warm place.
Yes.
For an hour.
Yes.
And hopefully it'll be twice as big.
As big, yeah. We want it to see it rise up. If I did it right.
Yeah.
You guys, the circle is complete. So the circle.
Can I smell it? Oh yeah, it smells good.
So I'm gonna make the design. So I'm gonna use fork because that's what I remember my mom doing. So you probably use any item to, like I'm gonna use this part of it first to make the outer side and to break it, like, because we break it in pieces, so I'm gonna design that first. So I'm gonna use the end of this fork like that, and you just keep going. So I'm lightly pressing it, not too hard. I don't know if well, it looks fine to me, whatever.
Yeah, looks fine.
So I'm gonna go like that, and circle and circle. I'm sure there's no right or wrong way of doing this. I hope not. Okay, so that's first, right? Then I'm gonna make like a pie.
It's like it's a diagram, you know?
Yeah,
We're
exactly.
Gonna portion it out.
Exactly.
Uh-oh, someone just dropped their zaba.
Uh-oh. And then I'm gonna go
You dropped
like
your zaba.
this. And like that. Okay, it's not done yet, like this. And then I'm gonna make another pie.
Yeah, so they're like pie.
You're portioning it out.
It's like a pie chart or
Yeah.
like pizza.
Exactly. Yeah, it's like pizza, except there's no sauce on top of it, or cheese. Okay, so here's this design. I'm not done with this design. So this is, I feel like you could do whatever you want, but how I remember my mom doing was the back of the fork to make a design. Why am I shaking?
You're nervous, obviously.
Oh my God. Okay, maybe I should start here since it's in front of me. So poke out, like that. And then I'm gonna turn I'm gonna have a space in between. I don't know, I just feel like doing it. Why not? I want to design,
That's cool.
right? I want to make it fun. Oh, this looks like hambasha. This looks, I feel like this looks legit. I hope.
Can you make an Eritrean flag?
I'm sure you can't, but we don't have coloring stuff.
Can you do a portrait of Delina in that one?
Yeah,
please?
I could put
Thank
a
you.
D. Oh, portrait. Yeah, this could be a cake. What is it called? A birthday cake. Hambasha is part of our cake.
She likes the turmeric. Oh, don't mess it up.
Then no, it's not ready yet, baby. It's not ready, my love. Okay.
Be patient.
So the other design, I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna go like that and just lightly pressing it, going. Anyways, this is one of the hambasha design that you will see. I'm gonna go this way. Why not? Let's go this way.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm gonna have fun with it. Like that. This is like a design of henna, right? There you go. So maybe we'll do another one like this. It tastes the same thing anyway, so it just looks different. Hold on, Dino. Hold on. All right, guys, we are ready. I wish you guys can smell it through there. No, just kidding. It smells really good, but you know, because I made it, so I'm biased. So this is hambasha. Pick up that knife for me, please. It's hot, so I'm holding it like that. So here is the final product. It took 30 minutes, right?
About 30 minutes?
About 30 minutes. And so now we're gonna let it cool for a little bit. And then we're gonna cut pieces.
It looks so good.
Unless you really want to try it right now.
I want to try it right now.
It's pretty hot, but here. Okay. So this is a sharp knife. Well, go like that.
It looks like real bread. I can't believe we did it.
Yes. Well,
Look,
nah.
it cut it right along the grooves.
See?
You gotta finish cutting.
I did. So, I mean, this is not like my mom. So it's so hot. You need to like take it easy, okay? So here is a piece.
I'll just take a little piece off the end.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's the right texture. It's kind of soft.
You haven't even tried it yet.
No, texture. I'm feeling it.
Oh.
See, that's part of the process. Part of the
I'm gonna try
sensory
it. So
experience.
why not? Woo! Hot.
Good. It's sweet. It's soft in the middle.
You guys, I think I did it.
It's like, it tastes like ambasha. You really did it. This is good. And it's kind of crusty on the outside.
It's not really soft. I think maybe I cooked it too long.
No, but you know what? It's not doughy on the middle. It looks perfect. That's called the crumb. Did you know that?
Oh, thanks. Okay, so this is amazing, guys. So I really, I
good.
mean, I'm so excited.
We
Now
had to
I
make
know
this
how to
every
make hambasha.
day.
Every
week.
day. Did you see how hard I had to work to make this?
That's
I don't know
fine.
about every day. But I'm actually shocked that it tastes like hambasha food. I mean hambasha. So.
Well, the sesame seeds and the poppy seeds really do it.
Oh my God,
And
you
then
guys.
it is sweet. It's from all that sugar we put into it.
Put sugar, yeah. And I love.
It's so delicious.
Delina's like, where's mine?
Delina's looking at us. Let's give her a piece.
Yes, and give Grandpa a piece too, since they both.
Bring her
Come
over.
on, you two. Come, Grandpa. So Grandpa's been helping us. And say hello to Robbie G's dad,
Hi.
Gary. And there's Delina.
Delina, put your lemon down.
Here, Delu.
Have a piece of bread.
Have a piece of bread. Try it.
Good.
Those look good, thank you.
Do you want more of that?
Give him a bigger piece.
Yeah. It's hot, so you can have more later. What do you think?
What do you think?
Have you tried it, Delu? Oh my
A
God.
little bite.
Take a bite, like you.
Yum, Delu.
You're right about that.
Don't just play with it.
It's not Tsp. She's like, no. Try it.
She's playing with it instead.
Good job.
There you go.
Well,
Wow.
Here we go.
Now she's going.
It's good. It's good. Isn't it good?
Has she had it before?
No, it's her first time. I've never made it.
Let's see if she goes back.
Oh, you dropped it.
Oh,
Yep,
she's going
she
back
is.
for more.
No.
All right, we'll let you guys.
All right.
Knowing like how some hambasha, like my mother's hambasha, is usually nice, the perfect texture and soft. I feel like I haven't gotten the perfect ingredient. Something is missing to me. But for first time, I think it's good.
Very good.
It's just, I'm looking at that soft, nice texture that I normally have envisioned when I think of hambasha. This is a little bit dry. I just feel like maybe I left it in too long.
Yeah. Or maybe too much oil rubbed on the outside.
I don't know, something. But overall, I feel like we did good. Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna keep eating, okay? Do you mind?
So it's not good, but you want to eat it?
I didn't say it's not good. I think it's good.
Oh my goodness!
Because this is your own style of hambasha.
Now, when I want a hambasha, I'm gonna make it. All right, you guys. So as you guys know, tea is part of Eritrean culture. So the bread hambasha. Usually we eat hambasha and bread. Hambasha and tea. I feel like I'm literally back home. Like this is making me like even miss my family so much. It is so good.
I'm gonna have a bite of the hambasha and then I'm gonna wash it down with the shahi.
Usually that's what we do.
So good. So delicious. Well done. You're amazing.
Thank you. This is actually pretty good, I think. Right? What do you think? For the first time making hambasha, it's good. Of course, I'm not perfect, but I got the basic hambasha.
It's a perfect little midday snack.
That's right.
Keep us
Which
going.
is perfect. You know how we do back home. Midday snack is usually shahi and hambasha, and what a great way to end our afternoon. So we're done.
Done for now. This is, but we're not gonna be done making this. We're gonna keep making it until we
Perfect it.
Until we perfect it.
Yes, until I learned the ingredient to make it that perfect hambasha like my mom used to make from me. So, thank you so much, you guys, for hanging out with us. We are all done. And as always, we love you guys so much. If you guys really enjoy this video, please give us thumbs up. And also, if you have any tips that for us to make it even better, hambasha, leave us a comment because we read all your comments. Yeah, so we're all done.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for hanging out. Till next time,
Bye,
take care.
everyone.
Bye.
Ciao.